Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to decrease background noise in the Zello app. But for that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, then we tap on audio. And here we have a noise suppression button at the bottom. If you tap on this, then the background noise is going to be decreased on our recordings, so our voice is clearer and we can communicate with our partners better. And if we turn this off, then this function isn't applied. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.